Greetings from Vikrant University. The campus is hosting a momentous event on 2nd October at 9:30 a.m. This event is, we are honored to welcome Honorable Justice of Supreme Court, Shri J.K. Maheshwari ji, who is going to be giving a judicial session, Vidhi Samvad. I feel proud to mention that Honorable Speaker of Vidhan Sabha, Shri Narendra Singh Tomar ji, has consented to preside over this function. It is a momentous time and a proud moment for students as well as for legal community to engage into a dialogue with these dignitaries and understand more about justice and jurisprudence. We feel honored to welcome the dignified dignitaries to our campus for Vidhi Samvad. Thank you.